In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an employee timesheet in Google Sheets. Stop using paper timesheets. Here's how to build a professional, automated employee hours tracker in Google Sheets in under 60 seconds. And I'll walk you through it clearly so you can reuse it anytime you need. Start by creating your simple layout. Type the headers exactly as follows: date, clock in, clock out, break, mins, and total hours. These will be the backbone of your table. Date tracks the day you're logging. Clock in and clock out are your start and finish times for that shift. Break, mins, is the break duration in minutes, like 30 or 45, and total hours is where the calculation will live so you don't have to do any math by hand. Next, type your start date in the date column. To fill out the week automatically, grab that blue corner on the cell and drag down. Google Sheets will enumerate the following days for you. No manual typing needed. If you want your date to be uniform across several rows, useful when multiple employees are on duty on the same day, click the cell with your date, copy it, highlight the rest of the area where you want that same date to appear, and paste. Now, your date is consistent exactly where you need it. With your structure in place, let's make the tracker do the calculations. In the total hours column, enter the formula, equal D2 C2 to 4, E2 60. Here's what that means. Google Sheets stores times as fractions of a day, so subtracting the clock. In time from the clock out time gives you the portion of a day worked. Multiplying by 24 converts that value into hours. Then, subtract your break time by taking the minutes in the break, mins, and dividing by 60. As you fill in, and clock out with times like 9 o'clock a.m. and 5 o'clock a.m. and enter your break minutes as a number, your total hours will calculate automatically for each day. Finally, give your timesheet a clean, professional look by converting it to a table. Just click Format, then Convert to Table. A quick shortcut is to highlight your data area and press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. This makes the sheet easier to read, keeps everything aligned, and gets it ready to use again and again. That's it. You now have a reusable timesheet that's ready to share with your team. Keep using the same layout for each new week or group of entries, and your hours will stay accurate and consistent every time.